Hello students, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Myself Nimisha Mehta. Welcome to class 6 English revision as per paper format. Here in our paper format, first question glossary. Do you know? Glossary means a new words, meanings. Understand? Okay, we will start. Chapter first. Humility, modesty, interrupted, spoken between, disturbance. Do you know? No. Yes. Here, spoken between, destiny, fat. From part 2, thunder, the loud noise after a flash of lightning. Lightning means a flash or several flashes in monsoon season. We seen? No? Okay. Quieted, became silent. Quieted means became silent. Stretch, to spread over an area. From lesson 2. Softly, politely. Angrier, more angry. Growled, made a low sound in the throat as a sign of anger. Cackled, made loud, unpleasant sound. Buzzed, made a continuous low sound. Honeybee buzzing? No. Yes. Defeat, beat. Commander, one who leads a group of fighting. Drill, repeated exercises. Marched, walked with steep steps. From next activity, quarrel, angry, disagreement. Man, long hair from the necks of certain animals. Lions having? No. Man. Okay. Battle, fight, war. Sting, to hurt with a sudden sharp pain. Honeybee always sting. Roar, to utter a loud deep rumbling sound. Lion roaring? No. Okay. Spy, to watch closely and secretly. From part 2, to call on, to visit someone for a short time. Spy, a person who secretly collects and reports information about the activities of another country or organization. Our opposite part. Hide, past tense of hide, hide. Kept in a place where it was difficult to be seen or found. You play no this game hide and seek. Yes. Whispered, spoke very quietly to somebody so that other people could not hear what he was saying. Stung, past tense of sting. Bit, causing sharp pain. Tugged, folded, pushed. Confused, mixed up, mad, unable to think clearly or understand something. Fluttered, moved lightly and quickly. Amazing, extremely surprising. Extinction, a situation in which something no longer exists. Extinct, not now existing. Endangered, animals that are in danger of becoming extinct. Rare, not common. Savanna, a large flat area of land covered with grass. Pit, a dark brown substance like soil which was formed by plants dying and becoming buried. Pit bog, an area of land from which peat is taken. Recently of time, not long past. Discovered, found out. Although, however. Okay. This from lesson number 2. Stout, fat and solid looking snout. The nose and mouth stuck out from the face. Knob, a round lump on surface. Shovel, a tool with a wide square metal or plastic blade. So dear students, this is the glossary and I already sent with all the PDF. Okay. So learn by heart this glossary from chapter 1 to 6. Here I mentioned few from chapter 1 and 2. So learn by heart this glossary. In next video we will see our next Roman for semester 2 exam, semester 1 exam. Okay बच्चे, take care, stay home, study hard. Thank you.